My question is elaborate on the future to consider when selecting the equipment. It is extremely important to select the right pieces of equipment for the job. Compare different pieces of equipment for a particular job and look at such features as design, construction, durability, ability to clean easily, size, cost, safety, and overall ability to do the job. For example, cost. Compare costs for a different pieces of equipment before buying. And some of the major costs associated with the purchase of equipment are the purchase price, installation cost, operating cost, maintenance cost, and finishes charge. We'll also have size and design. Equipment should easily fit into the space available in the layout of the facility, and the equipment that sits on the floor are not easily movable. The equipment must be elevated or sealed. When legs are used for the equipment is minimum clearance of 50 centimeters between the floor and the bottom surface. The table mounted equipment should be 4 centimeters thick.
For question 2, construction materials of kitchen equipment. First, stainless steel. Stainless steel widely used in commercial kitchens due to its durability, resistant to rust and corrosion, and ease of cleaning. It's non-reactive, making it safe for a variety of food types. Number 2, cast iron. Cast iron, known for its excellent heat retention and distribution properties, making it ideal for tasks like searing meat or slow cooking. However, it requires regular seasoning to maintain its non-stick properties. Number 3, aluminium. Aluminium, a lightweight material that heats up quickly and evenly. It's commonly used in cookware, but it can react with acidic foods, so it's often coated with a non-stick surface. Number 4, non-stick coatings. This makes cooking and cleaning easier by preventing food from sticking. However, non-stick coatings can wear out over time and may require special utensils to avoid scratching. Number 5, copper. Copper is an excellent heat conductor, providing precise temperature control, but it's often lined with another metal, such as stainless steel. This metal will prevent reactions with food.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I want to answer question number 3. Discuss the do and don't of low temperature storage. The thing that you should do is set the right temperature. Refrigerate at below 5 degrees Celsius and freeze at below minus 18 degrees Celsius to slow the bacterial growth. The things that you should do is organize your food. Keep the raw food like a meat on the lower shelf to avoid contamination, and use airtight container for frozen item to avoid frozen burn. Next thing that you should do is level reading. Write down the date on your food to track how long it been stored. It's an easy way to avoid from the waste. Next, store food safely. You must to defrost frozen item in the fridge, not at room temperature, to avoid bacteria. The thing that you should avoid is don't put hot food in the fridge. Let it cool first, because when you put a hot food in the fridge, it can spoiling other item. Next, don't skip cleaning. It's because a clean fridge means no smell and no bacteria build up. The thing that you should avoid is don't keep food forever, because food frozen has a limit too. You must to check those label. The next is to open the fridge too often, because when you do that, the warm air comes in and it take longer to cool back down. Now I want to answer question number 4. Discuss what to do in case of power failure. First, keep the fridge and the freezer door shut to hold in the cold, and keep your food safe as long as possible. Next, use ice or dry ice to help keep your food cool. If you have a generator, you can move your food to a fridge or freezer that connected to keep it fresh. Next, be careful with food safety. If food stay above 4 degrees Celsius for more than 2 hours, it best to throw it out, especially items like dairy, meats, and cooked meal.
For question 5, difference between cleaning and sanitation. So the difference is cleaning is the process of removing visible dirt, food particles, grease, and debris from surfaces. Cleaning is typically done using detergents and water. Cleaning is an essential task in maintaining a healthy and pleasant environment. However, sanitation is the process of reducing the number of harmful microorganisms on a clean surface to safe levels, usually through the use of chemical sanitizers or heat.
For the pre-cleaning steps, we need to remove large food particle and debris from the surface and equipment. Next, washing. We need to use warm soapy water and scrub brush or cloth to thoroughly wash the equipment or surface. For the rinsing steps, we need to rinse off all the soaps and detergent residues with clean water. Next, sanitizing. Next, we need to do the sanitizing steps. We need to apply a sanitizing solution such as a bleach solution or commercial sanitizer to clean the equipment and surface. Last but not least, air drying steps. Allow all the surface and equipment to air dry completely and avoid using clothes and towel that may be introduced contaminant. That's all for the cleaning steps.
I will describe 4 factors in cleaning in Finset. Number 1, we have type of soil to be removed. The kind of residual contamination, for example like food particle, fat or microorganism, influence the method and the material used for cleaning. Number 2, we have water quality. Clean or soft water is more effective in cleaning compared to hot water, which may leave a mineral deposit or reduce the effectiveness of the detergents. Number 3, we have the detergent. The choice of cleaning agents depends on the type of soil being removed and the compatibility with the surface being cleansed. And the last one, we have water temperature. The highest water temperatures can enhance the effectiveness of the detergents by loosening grease and killing contained microorganisms.
For question 8, describe the sanitation process. First, clean first, ensure all visible dirt and food particles are removed before applying a sanitizer. Second, apply sanitizer. Use an appropriate sanitizing agents such as a bleach solution. 1 tablespoon agents such as 1 tablespoon of bleach per gallon of water or a commercial sanitizer, following the manufacturer instructions. Third set, follow contact time. Ensure the sanitizer remains on the surface for the recommended contact time, usually 30 seconds to 2 minutes, to effectively kill harmful microorganisms. 4. Airbag. Allow surface to air dry completely to prevent decontamination. Avoid using towels or clothes that could introduce new bacteria. That's all.